We back with another one. 1986 Monte Carlo SS with T-tops. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She has a little over 72,000 miles. Paint is in driver quality condition. Interior is nice and clean. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me which one y'all going with. The hard top or the one with T-tops. T-top channels. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Console. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. As y'all can see, mileage reached a little over 72,000. Upper dash. Lower. The engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Running good. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.